Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to set up our first Roblox project in BulkBrains ToolBox. The first thing we're going to do is head over to BulkBrains.com, head to Toolbox, and click Get Started. Once you're on this page, if you do not yet have an account, you will of course have to register, or you can head over to log in. Once you've logged in, you'll be automatically redirected to the Toolbox homepage, where you'll be greeted with your recent projects and the tools available to you. To get started with your Roblox project, head to the Roblox icon on the left-hand Toolbox menu. Now, since we do not yet have any experiences, we'll want to connect an experience, and we'll want to manage our Roblox connection. Once you've clicked that, you'll be redirected to the Roblox OAuth authentication page. You'll be asked which account you'd like to use to log in, and I'm going to use this one, or you can of course change the account if it's not the correct one. First, you'll be asked about the accounts you wish to allow BulkBrains access to. I'm just going to select this for now, but you can also select multiple accounts if you have them, including users and groups. Next, I'm going to select the experiences I want to allow access to. I'm going to use this experience for this tutorial, and again you can select multiple experiences at the same time, including user-owned experiences and group-owned experiences. Once you've selected the experiences you wish to use, simply hit Continue. Here, you'll be given an overview of the permissions you've granted. If they're all correct, simply hit Confirm and give access. You may have to wait up to 3 seconds before Roblox will allow you to click this button. You'll now be redirected back to the Toolbox Roblox page, and you'll be greeted with all the experiences you allowed access to. To start, we'll just select the experience we want to access, and we'll be asked for an API key. To get this API key, we'll need to head over to create.roblox.com. Make sure you're in the correct account, including groups or users, and then head to Open Cloud and then API keys. We'll want to create an API key, and I'm going to name mine BulkBrains ToolBox. The name is not important, and you can name it anything you wish to make it easy to identify. You can also add a description if you wish, which may make it easier to identify in the future. Next, we'll select the permissions we wish to allow access to. For this tutorial, I'm just going to allow some data store permissions. Now, we'll select the experience, which is the same as we connected earlier, in both cases. And we'll select the specific operations we wish to use. I would recommend, if you wish to use all the features that Toolbox has to offer, I'd recommend adding all operations. This will take just a second. And once that's all selected, we'll move on to security. Now, it may be simple to simply add this IP address as your security, as the accepted IP address. However, this is unsecure as it allows all IPs to access this API. What I would recommend doing is adding the BulkBrains ToolBox IP address. The BulkBrains ToolBox IP address is 66.135.1.160. Simply hit Add IP Address, and now only the BulkBrains ToolBox servers have access to this API. We also have the option of adding an expiry, but for simplification, we'll select No Expiration. For improved security, you may wish to add an expiration, but you will have to remember to update this in Toolbox each time it expires. Once you're finished, simply hit Save and Generate key, and this is the key we'll want to copy to Toolbox. So I'm going to head back to Toolbox, just paste that key in, and hit Connect. And there we go. Your experience is now fully connected to Toolbox services.